This stock moved up 27-28% in last couple of weeks. In this video, I'm going to explore the business of this particular company. It's very interesting and futuristic. Before start, I have a disclaimer that I do not have any buy, sell, hold recommendation of the stock or stocks I'm going to mention in this particular video. This video is made only for the academic purpose. If you have any interest in any of the stock I would mention in this particular video, you can check with your registered advisor or take your own call. So let's begin. The stock which I'm going to discuss in this particular video is Tatva Chintan. It's a chemical company. I said the business of the company, the products of the company are very much futuristic. So let me explore those segments or those particular products which contributes to the revenue of the company. The first one I would like to discuss, this is called structured directing agent, SDA. Its latest contribution was around 31% to the top line. SDA contributes around 31%. What this SDA does? So it's basically the key raw material for high precision zeolite, and along with that it finds application in the emission control and refining catalyst. And with stringent emission norms globally, this type of products are very much in demand. This automotive gas emission is a very significantly growing segment, and the company holds around 20% of the addressable market size globally in this particular segment. So this finds application in Euro 6, and currently it has a very huge demand for Euro 6, this SDA. And one great thing about this SDA, I would say, it's a one-time application. Means you cannot reuse the product. Once you will consume once, means again you have to reorder for consumption. You cannot reuse it. So it has a recurring demand always in the market. Now Europe has already discussed about further progress in the emission norm. Means it's going to be even stringent going forward. So they are going to shift from Euro 6 to Euro 7, and which is coming in front of us at this point in time. That is by 2027 Euro 7 is going to be implemented, and heavy duty commercial vehicle like this Euro 7 will be applied, or let's say Euro 7 norm will be applied for heavy duty commercial vehicle from mid 2028. So Euro 7 is going to again create new demand for their product, and the order has already started from October 2025. So management said that SDA price has bottomed out. It was there was price erosion, and now management recognizes it as price has bottomed out. The next category is phase transfer catalyst, which contributes around 33%. But this phase transfer catalyst is basically used as the raw material, or the used for backward integration of the structured directing agent. So the phase transfer catalyst has quite volatile market prices, but as the company is using this phase transfer catalyst as a backward integration product for SDA, so due to internal consumption, the impact, the global price impact, the volatility impact of the prices are minimal. So the company is basically expanding its operation, and FY26 they have announced 110 crore of capex, among a large part will be consumed for developing these phase transfer catalyst facilities. So full scale operation is expected to start from calendar year 2025. Even in this latest con call of the management, we will get to know what is the current status of the new expansion projects. Apart from that, the another one big segment, I would say it's the biggest contributor at this point in time, that is the pharma and agro intermediates. It contributes around 34%. So it looks like quite diversified in terms of their product line. This company is quite diversified in terms of their product line. So in the pharma and agrochemical segment, company said like they have two new products in the latest last con call in Q1. This did mention that they have like they added two new like they got approval for two new agrochemical, or let's say they are two new agrochemical products have started getting manufactured full scale. And production another one, two new intermediates have received commercial approvals. Another high potential molecule targeting the domestic market is gaining a strong traction. Production of this product will be scaled up at the new greenfield facility in July. On the pharma side, Tatva Chintan is progressing well. Third intermediate validated and fourth under pilot testing. This was the update from the management in Q1. The company is like has some semiconductor chemical in their product pipeline. The company is preparing themselves for the semiconductor wave, developing high purity chemicals, and has already delivered a successful pilot project. Commercialization is expected to start in 2027 of this category, and full throttled production is expected in 2029. So altogether, these product lines are very much futuristic. And along with that, one another category I would say, that is the electrolyte salts. Current contribution is nothing, around 2%, but scope of expansion is very big. Tatva Chintan is progressing well in this electrolyte salt, and we know that electrolyte salt is a material for the energy consumption devices, hybrid vehicle battery manufacturing, and current the company can clock up to 100 crore of revenue, with 15 to 20 crore expected in FY26 as per the management guideline, and possibly 10% of total revenue by FY27-28. So this is all about Tatva Chintan. Please have a look into the company with proper understanding. Keep on following for taking any decision, and consider my video as an academic knowledge sharing. So for this type of detailed video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for your valuable time.